Ladies and gentlemen, tonight is a very special Q&A. It's dedicated to my cat, Nancy. I don't know where my cat went. She's somewhere in this office, and it's only a matter of time before she jumps up behind me in this video. First things first, this is a culmination of an entire year's worth of work. At the beginning of this year, I said that I was going to be going back to art school, and I was going to be taking it seriously, and I had two goals with that. The first goal was to get better at art. The second goal was to take the things I learned and kind of build a course, a curriculum around that idea. So I'm kind of soft launching it today, and you guys get to be my guinea pig. So I have something, I call it my Digital Art Starter Kit. So if you want to take a look at that course, there's a link in the email. You may have already followed it there, but I did want to mention like what's in there, why I did it, all that kind of fun stuff. So let's dive into that. Okay, first, there's a lot of stuff in there. In my videos, what I tend to do over time is I like to make them short, keep them like between 10 and 12 minutes. I don't like to get too long. I like to keep it concise. But what ends up happening in a lot of these videos is that I get a lot of the same questions over and over again. And so I wanted some resources where I could be like, if you're brand new to digital art, or if you're brand new to learning this stuff, or brand new to practice habits, like where do you start? It's all so overwhelming. And I wanted a place to send people. And that's what the Digital Art Starter Kit is all about. And so it's still kind of a work in progress, and I plan to add to it. So there's videos on picking out good hardware, what to look for, picking out good software, what to look for. There's parts on some of the things I've been talking about here in this email newsletter that I've learned about creating practice habits, how to make them stick. I also talk a little bit about building a curriculum. And a lot of this stuff I've learned is stuff that I've learned directly from you guys, because when I started this, I got some amazing comments from people saying, Brad, you need a goal. Like getting better at art is too vague. It's too big. Make a better goal. And so I've taken the stuff that the great advice I got from you guys and some of the resources that you guys sent me, and I've kind of put it all together in one package. So there's a bunch of videos. Some of the videos I've already shared with you guys, at least via the mailing list. Like there's some videos where I talk about my process a little bit, like my ink brushes and my watercolor brushes, and those tutorials are already in there. So a lot of that content, for those of you who've been subscribed to the email for a while, is gonna seem familiar. The cat's over here somewhere. I'm gonna find that cat. Anyway, there's other stuff in there too. I wanted to put like my brush pack in there. I wanted to put like worksheets in there. I wanted to put like my ratings of courses. I haven't actually rated anything yet. But anyway, work in progress. If you want to check that out and give me your feedback, I would love it, because I intend to add to it and revise it and make it better over time. Because really what I want is a resource I can send people to. And whenever I'm asked a question, I'm like, you know what? Take a look at this stuff. This might really help you out. So part of that is, I got it done. I've been working on it for 9 months. And the other part of it is I just want to say thank you for everybody who's left a comment and really helped me out through this art journey. My art journey is not done. I don't think I'm going to be doing the weekly updates. I haven't been doing them the last 2 or 3 video updates I've done. But still, I've gotten so much better, and it's just starting for me, and I'm going to keep going and adding to that as I learn. So anyway, I have my laptop here in front of me. I'm going to read some questions. The first question is from Annette. Question is, greetings from Italy. I really like the quick shape tool in Procreate. However, my only gripe with Procreate is the lack of vector drawing tools. Are there any apps with similar features? I think in terms of like drawing tools for the iPad, Affinity Designer is top notch. One thing I want to do is the review schedule kind of slows down in the spring, like in February, March, April, products stop rolling out and I need to come up with video ideas. There's another program called Vectornator. I really want to do a review on that. They even reached out to me a long time ago and said, hey, do a review on us. And I was like, yeah. And I never did because I've been too busy. But when things slow down this spring, I'm probably going to be checking that out. That one's free. It might be worth checking out too. Jennifer asks, have you tried TV Paint Android app? I have not. I do want to revisit Android apps because I've been looking at a lot of Android hardware this fall. I got another review for a cheap Android tablet coming out at some point. I'm not sure when. I haven't actually used it yet. It's still in a box over here. But yeah, I want to do like relook at a lot of the Android software, because when I do these reviews, I don't have time to review the software too, but I notice a lot of it's changed since I did my initial like best Android drawing software thing. TV Paint, I'll add that to my list. Carolyn asks, have you ever heard of an app called Linea Sketch? Have you ever considered trying it? So the short answer is yes. I think I did a review on it, but I did a review on it like when it first came out, which was like 3 or 4 years ago. It's hard to believe, but the iPad Pro, I think, is it turning 5 this year? It's been out for a long time. But yeah, the Linea app I did take a look at, but sometime I'll have to go back and revisit and see what's changed, see what's gotten better. That's the Q&A. Thank you guys for watching. If you have a question, just reply to the email that sent you here, and I'll talk to you in a couple of days.